Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Scorpios. If you want more clarity, if you have doubts or some confusion, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So that may answer your questions or doubts, Scorpios. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first, guys. We have Five of Swords in reverse, Wheel of Fortune, and the Empress. So, in your situation, guys, Scorpios, it may be in your career situation or in your personal life situation. You are, you are working hard, putting in your best, making all those efforts, but something is missing because you are not seeing success, and things are going in a very towards some kind of a problematic situation, and things are not manifesting as it should, guys. And maybe you don't know certain things, you have some doubts, something is blocking your vision, or you do not have clarity in some decisions when you're making some decisions, guys. Again, that may be the reason for troubles. It may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, in this relationship, guys. And also with this person you love, maybe you are maybe having an intimate relationship with them, and for some of you, you are having a child together, guys, or maybe someone in your situation, in your family, they are having a child or starting a family, or you have plans to start a family. So some positive changes are also there for you, guys. And maybe certain things, like however hard you work, certain things are not happening, but certain things are simply falling into place without your efforts. So it may be destiny, guys. That may be the reason for things going in a particular way in your life today. And maybe this person you love, this may be your destined love, or this may be this person may be your karmic destiny. So destiny may be the reason for things going in a particular way in your life, guys, Scorpios. So it is pushing you towards those changes, or that course of life, or that life plan for you, whatever destiny has planned for you. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first, guys. So we have the High Priestess in reverse. So in this relationship, in this love, maybe with this person, you have some kind of confusions, guys. Maybe you don't know what they are thinking still. Maybe you have asked them something. Maybe you want to get engaged or married to them, but they have not given you the answer for some of you. Or you don't know what is going on in their mind. They may have some doubts or confusions, and they are not clear about their decision, guys, yet. So that is what I see with this card, guys. Let's see what is the card for the Tower. So there are huge changes happening in your career situation, Scorpios. Things are not going as expected, but you need not worry. These changes are necessary to push you towards a positive change in your life, guys. That is the reason for some drastic changes in your circumstance today, Scorpios. So you need not worry about that, guys. So that is what I see, Scorpios. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then open your eyes and choose the card, or we have these crystals. So we have three crystals. You can either think with the cards or the crystals. So go for that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card for you all after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep these cards aside. So for those who have chosen this card and this crystal, let's see what it is. It is Sacred Convergence. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, in your life now, right now, there is a great progress happening, guys. Something that is helping your soul to grow, or there is some kind of divine awakening. So you are asked to drop the barriers or defenses you have towards the people you feel good with. Maybe there are friends and family members you feel really comfortable with, happy to be with. And however, there are few people who are maybe inspiring you in a negative way. They are involving you in some kind of a blame game, trying for that manipulation, something that is dampening your spirit or dragging you down. So you need to step away from that, guys, and you need to feel nourished when you are with people you love, and share yourself without fear. Just be without any plans. Just do your part. Everything is going to happen at the right time, guys, and there is a great spiritual gift being presented to you now, guys. And this oracle also comes with a special guidance that there is a possibility of a very positive relationship happening today in our situation, guys, and growth of love. So just you need to make that choice. Trust yourself and your intuition, and then make the choice. So that way you will get lucky. You will find the person you simply love to be with whom you feel really nourished and happy. So that is the energy, guys. So maybe for some of us, when we step away from people who have a negative impact on us, we are going to lose many people, and there are just going to be few honest, truthful people in our situation. But we need not worry. These people are our soul family, guys, and they are going to nourish our souls, make us emotionally complete. So that is the reading, guys, with this card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the reading with the second card. This is your second crystal, and this is your second card, guys. So it is amber. So with this crystal spirit, it just means that whatever lessons that we have learned with our experience, our past experience, we always have a choice in our relationship whether we can stay or move away, to learn, to grow, or to move on to a new relationship. So if you want a different kind of a relationship, and if you want it next time, you need to understand what went or what happened in your past relationship, guys. So those lessons or that wisdom is going to help you to avoid repeating the pain again in this present relationship or in your future relationships. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to go for that wisdom or learning in your situation today or in your past, whatever you faced. You should try and learn that lessons whatever happened to us, so that way we will not make the same mistakes again. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, that is the reading. So for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, let's see what it is. It is the poisoned apple, jealousy. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation there is something tempting you, something which looks like a gift, wrapped up like a gift, but in truth it is a poison, guys, poison for your soul. So you need to think again and again before accepting that gift. So you need to refuse what is being presented to you, guys. Maybe it may be in the form of a relationship, or it may be in the form of some offers or opportunities. So you need to find your own way to power, knowledge, to love and wisdom. But if you have accepted that poisoned apple, do not be afraid. You will recover, guys, but the pain you go through is going to give you that gift of experience and clarity in your heart about your relationship, guys. So you are going to change for the better with that learning. So maybe it is time, if you can avoid, it is time you need to be very careful, guys, and you need to examine the sources of your information and ideas when you are getting some from people. And you should not have too much trust on anyone or in any given circumstance. You should think twice before you step into some important decisions today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.